Hey guys, we're here in the showroom of Full Performance Marine, and this is just one of our 3 indoor showrooms. We're getting ready to kick off our 2018 season. We're really excited for this 2018 season to come up. We got a lot of new stuff to show you. We got a lot of new products. Some really cool and innovative products are coming out for this model year. Every year we have our annual open house in early February. This year it's going to be February 2nd through the 11th. We're going to have 9 days straight of boat show deals. We're going to give you the best selection, the most to choose from, and we're going to have the best prices guaranteed. Not only are we going to have the best deals and the best selection, but we're going to have the best brands in the industry. We have Yamaha boats, Yamaha Wave Runners, Bennington pontoon boats, and Godfrey pontoon boats, as well as Stingray sport boats, Regal sport boats and cruisers, and Hurricane deck boats. We'll have over 150 new boats in stock, as well as a great selection of pre-owned. And all of our new boats, we're going to have every single color available, every single floor plan, furniture package, option. You'll be able to see everything. If you're looking for something in particular and we don't have it in stock, we can custom order it for you. So if you guys are looking for a boat, whether it be a pontoon, a bow rider, or express cruiser, give us a call at 814-658-BOAT. Stop by our facility, James Creek, Pennsylvania, February 2nd through the 11th. You're going to get a great deal, and you're going to see one of the best selections in the marine industry. Like I said, this is just one of our 3 indoor showrooms. If you have any questions, give us a call at 814-658-BOAT. You can see our website there. It's fullperformancemarine.com. Look forward to seeing you here.